Hey, what up, decisive marketers? Some of you who are in my community, you might realize that I keep talking about SPAE, which is my favorite learning management system because it comes with a bunch of features, looks great, and they have a awesome mobile app as well. So today's video is also about a learning management system, and I feel that this comes close to what I feel is a awesome learning management system. Um, but there are definitely some shortcomings, and I'm gonna address them. But the team that's behind it has told me that these are fixes and additional features that will be coming soon to this platform right here, and I would say that this is a platform that I would highly recommend you to consider if you want to build a course on it, right? And this tool is called EZColab, right? EZColab. But before I dive into EZColab, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you like to see more digital marketing and e-commerce content. So here we are in EZColab, right? So EZColab, I would say they have come a long way because I think about a month or so ago I tested it out. Um, the UX UI, it just didn't really click because it felt really bare. But you can see that this dashboard right here is now a lot more. I mean, of course, you didn't see the original version of EasyCollab, but this current version that we are in here, it looks so much more richer than before, right? So before I dive in, let's head over to the profile. You can upload your profile photo here. We're just going to the edit profile. Okay, so that's all in there. Okay, so you want to set up your app settings right here, so you can set manage your features. So they've got tons of features right here. You got ideas, you got feedback, you got events, you got badges, you got polls, you got one-on-one events, you got live sessions. So there's a lot of stuff in here, and you got to understand like what kind of features do you want in your learning management system. If you're not going to have a live session, you can turn that feature off. You're not going to have one-on-one events, you can turn that off. You can have a group event, you can keep that on or off. If you're going to run any events within EasyCollab itself, right? So you can also ask for ideas to improve your course. That will be ideas, and you got feedback. And I personally feel that it's a little bit confusing when you have ideas and feedback. So ideas are more like how to improve, right? Feedback would be like what I think about this program, something like that. And I personally, feel they should try and combine both together. But I do understand why they split them up into two. And then you've got badges here. This would be for you as a learner to collect badges and show them off, right? And then you got posts. So this post right here is like a community discussion uh, areas, like a community discussion board right here, and you can turn it on if you want that feature, right? So next would be your custom branding. So you can brand your even your dashboard right here. So you can put in your institute name. I did not put that in. Institute alias name, that would decide your URL here, right? And then your browser title, and then your institute logo. So they have a small bug right here, which I have feedback on this, but it doesn't seem to change my logo, so it's stuck right here. So, but I'm sure that they're going to be fixing that very soon. The favicon, I managed to upload that. The institute sign up image, so it seems like that might be fixed. Let's take a look. Okay, so it's here, but it's not looking correctly. So I guess I can switch this up to something else as well. Okay, and then this is the institute logo is sorry, institute image is actually this one right here, which it's empty right now. We could probably use a better picture in there, right? And then your primary color, your secondary color, and then you can set your institute name color, which is, I didn't put that in, so that's not needed. And then you can put the menu background color, so I put it as this blue here, and then you can put the menu color, which I put white, and I think it seems to look well, right? And then you got themes would be for your students to access it, right? Themes will be for your students to the dashboard for your students, so you can put your own custom background image as well. Okay, so so we're gonna dive in next. So integration wise, at the moment they have SendGrid, Zoom, and Stripe, but webhooks and API are coming soon. So so with EZColab, right? The thing you gotta understand is that at the moment they are a learning management system, and pretty much purely a learning management system. They don't have a cart or checkout feature. That means people can't come over to your store and purchase courses and check out from there, right? And then be added into your learning management system. So how it works is you got to so what they will have is that you got your Stripe here, right? So once you connect to Stripe, you can actually send a link, like a payment link, and you can they will also be embedded into the EZColab platform as well. It's only going to come later on when they have this feature that's added in, and people can make purchase through Stripe, and then you can have them added into your learning management system, right? Or you can make use of something else, like what I do would be to use DriveCard and connect it via Pabbly Connect and have it connected to EZColab. So someone who signs up through my DriveCard checkout page will then be added into EZColab right here, right? And so we are going to jump in. So I mean, these are all your analytics, okay? Marketing analytics right here as well, and you can connect your Google Analytics if you want to. So we're going to create courses right here. So how the courses work, they did have some kind of UX disaster, I would say, originally, but I gave some feedback, and seems like the team has taken it well, and I think the UX works a lot better right now. Is that how it works is that you got your institute, which is what I have, um, this entire thing is called the institute, right? And then you got your course bundle, and then the course. So I would say something like course bundle would be more like, it's really like your institute kind of thing. Okay, so it's like a level between like your institute and the course itself. So it's like you have a company that runs multiple different institute, and then your course bundle will be the institute, I would say, or the academy, right? Right. So let's say you are a school, right? You are a school, and then that would be, I mean, your institute. Then your course bundle would be like the this your academy of something, like your digital marketing academy, or your cooking academy. So you can have multiple academies. Then you can, so that will be the course bundle here. Okay, then you can have create course. So course would be the course itself. Okay, and then you can have modules. So modules would be like, your module 1 would be this set of lessons, and those sets of lessons would be called a sub module right here. So that's the entire process. So you got to create a course bundle first, and you can set the position on the dashboard. So that means when someone logs in, and you got multiple different courses, right? So you can set how they look. And then the next one will be your course. So you can also set your course position here, right? And you can set like you can create new communities if you want to. So these communities will be for you to for people to access those communities in there to ask certain questions and stuff like that. Next is the access type. Okay, so this would be like, they got to have this access type to be able to access to these different courses. And then your course members, so who are able to access these courses here. So we got this three here. Okay, right? And then you got your modules, which I've covered on that as well. They have a beta drip function as well. So that means um, like when are you going to add the course, like the lessons in? So you can put that, you can set that up with the drip settings right here. And then you can add multiple modules, and you can preview your course right here. Okay, so this is like my course right here. And and then you can add sub modules, right? So this is how your sub modules look like. So you can put in the title. They can accept a video URL, so you have a direct link to your video. You can make use of that as well, or you can make use of Vimeo or upload a video directly into EZColab. Okay, but that's going to take up your storage in EZColab, right? Something to take note of. But what I use is I use Vadu TV and make use of the iframe, right? So I make use of the iframe and insert that iframe code in here, and then that's where you get the lesson itself. You can put a duration in the minutes, and you can put you know any text in here. Okay, and then you can upload any attachment. So let's try uploading something. Okay, let's jump back in here first and edit the submodule, which I already have right here. Okay, so I guess, okay, so one issue that it seems that they have is it seems like if you edit the course, all the contents are missing, so you got to re-upload them right here, which is not a good idea. Let me just grab the video here. So let me just copy this code, so the iframe code. Okay, and then I can paste it in here. Okay, and I can add any quiz if I want to. Okay, all new assignments. Okay, so that's where it is, right? So this is the lesson here, and I'll be able to see like the attachment, and I can put notes in here, right? So I think it's kind of a nice interface that they have right here. So and then you can assign badges as well. So if they complete a certain lesson, you can give them a badge, and you can also send emails out on the lesson itself, right? And let's jump into assignments, so you can create assignments. Okay, so you can create an assignment, right? And then you can if they complete this assignment, then they will be able to achieve certain badges and stuff like that. Okay, so that will be assignment. Okay, and it seems like assignment, it works based on text, and we can upload a PDF file right here. Okay, and then you've got quizzes, so you can add a new quiz right here. Okay, and how long is the quiz? So you can put in the questions, and once they complete the questions, then you can award them with a badge if you want to. And you can create badges right here. So these are the badges that are offered within EZColab, but you can also upload your own badge right here. Right, so it just needs to be of this size, and it's a PNG image type. And you can also set up flashcards. Okay, so flashcards would be like quick understanding of the course material, so you can upload that, and people can access the flashcard to remind themselves of the course itself. And your institute management, these are basically ideas. So someone can submit an idea to you, and you can approve the idea, reject, or if you have implemented the idea, then you can set it as completed. Okay, so these are like ideas to improve your course. So that's under ideas, and you can put different categories as well. So maybe you can put it on course content, or um, course content, maybe uh, like um, additional, like maybe certain areas that you want to cover, that you suggest to cover to improve your learning experience. So that's as a learner, then this you can put different categories in there, and then you can set up events in here as well. Right, so you can set up events, and send out an email to get people to jump in onto your events. Right, so you can set that up in here, and of course the live sessions would be using Zoom, or you can put a meeting link in here as well. So you can select other than Zoom, and make use of EZColab for this purpose right here, right, or on one-on-one events as well. Okay, as of now, the booking will be through Calendly. Okay, so that's how it works. You can put in your Calendly, and then these will be like all the events. You can set up an event, right, and then you can put it in here as well, right? So next will be feedback. So feedback will be coming in from your students, giving you feedback about how your course is, and these are your user management. So let's say for this student right here, what is the access type, right? So access type, once you set it up, then let's say you put like decisive e-commerce, which is the course that you want to assign them, then this will be the access type. So it's more like a tag, right? So if you have this access type, you'll be able to access this course, right? Okay, and then let's see, this would be like the student's profile, and then you can jump over to instructors. So instructors would be the one who access your course, right? Okay, and then new signups. So like any new students that pending access will be all in here, and then user access, right? So this will be like your access type. Okay, so this is where you set up your access type, and lastly would be some marketing features that they have. They've got lead generation, so this is just for you to set up like the having your leads coming in here. So you can use API to do that. You can use HTML to do this as well, right? This would be I guess it creates a form, right, for people to sign up as a lead for your course. You can also set your own sender email. Okay, right, so this only works with SendGrid. Okay, so this, once you want to integrate SendGrid, this will be your email information, right? Your email details, and then you can create an email list. You can have different lists in there, right? It works as a simple email broadcast tool, I would say. And then any invalid emails, and if you want to delete any emails, it'll be in here. This is where all your email list is, okay? And then your email editor. So this is, you can create an email within here, then send it out to people who are in your course, or the email list and all that, right? And then you got a content scheduler. So this one is actually for scheduling on your social media, right? So at the moment it works with Facebook page, but it's not actually live yet, I think. So that feature is not actually working right now. And pretty much this is EZColab. That I think that EZColab looks good so far. So this is the instructor view. It works. The instructor view is actually very similar to the learner's view as well. It's just that they've got access to some of the course creation features right here. Okay, so if you are the learner, you can access your course here. You can also pin certain courses and access them easily right here, right? So when I jump in, so this will be my course right here, and then my progress and stuff like that. And when I click in, okay, I can actually set that my course is actually the landing page. So then I will land on this section right here, and then I can start accessing my course content right here. Okay, I think it's very well built in here. And then you can set up like knowledge base in here. This is for the this is actually for the instructor to create. So let's just put a photo in here. Okay, so then this would be like the knowledge base. So you can put an icon, and you can set up like different sections to answer certain questions, right? So this will be the knowledge base, and this is your course discussion. So this is you can create a post within this course, right? Hello everyone, test. Okay, so then you create a post right in here, right? And you can like the post. So it's a community feature right here, right? Okay, let's try and upload one with a picture as well. So let's try uploading this picture right here. Okay, so it looks like this. So it looks it doesn't look like Facebook where it consumes the entire space, right? And then you can put comments in here. Okay, so I think that some things that could make this a little bit more interesting would be having maybe GIFs in here as well, right? GIFs that would be making it a lot more interesting. Maybe have it integrated with Giphy or Tanner, right? That would really help. And you can pin comments as well, pin posts, right? And then you have your hashtags. So you also have flashcards. So this will be like all your flashcards to go through the entire lesson in brief. Okay. So I think, right, and then the last one will be you can check out your profile and check out certain badges that you have right here. So pretty much this is EZColab. I think that they have come a long way. I think this they also have a mobile app right now, but the mobile app is the course material is actually not synced into the mobile app yet. The mobile app only works I think, for the course discussion, and possibly like maybe some of the like knowledge based features and stuff like that, but it doesn't work. You can't actually see the course content in your mobile app right now. I think that's what's missing with EZColab, and I feel like this tool seems to be going somewhere. I would say like it's 85% there. I really like that they have badges in here. I think that there's a bit of gamification, very interesting. The interface looks, the learner's interface looks great. There is a community feature, and then you can get feedback. You can run live classes from within EZColab. I think it's beautiful. Everything is all in here. So pretty much this is my comment. I would say that I would rank this really close to the top solutions for me as a learning management system. I am eager to see what happens. They say that the mobile app will come by the end of the month. They say that the API and webhooks would be out, I think, next week or so. So I think that this could be a very awesome full-fledged learning management system. And pretty much that's all I have to share about EZColab. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up. If you know anyone who could benefit from a learning management system, be sure to share this video with them. And lastly, let me know what you think about EZColab. Do you feel the same way as I do, that thinking that this is actually a very good solution? Let me know what you feel in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.